Hello guys! For today's video, magluluto po tayo ng spare ribs with potatoes and bell pepper. Ang mga ingredients ay 1 kilo ng karne ng baboy, spare ribs guys. Nilagyan ko ito ng 1/2 cup ng pineapple juice, 3 tablespoon ng soy sauce, at pamintang durog. I-marinate natin ito guys for at least 1 hour. Patatas, bell pepper, garlic cut into cubes, sibuyas cut into cubes, 3 tablespoon ng ketchup, grated cheese, magic sarap, at 3/4 cup ng water. At green peas. First guys, isofry muna natin ang ating patatas. Lagyan natin guys ng asin. Separate muna natin. Then isofry naman natin yung ating karne. Hiniwalay ko guys yung sauce at antayin natin mag golden brown. Nung golden brown na guys, iseparate muna natin. Magbisa tayo ng ating bawang at sibuyas until maging translucent. Then, ilagay na natin uli ang ating mga karne at hayaan magisa. Ilagay na natin ating tubig, magic sarap, ketchup, at yung sauce na pinambabad natin. Hayaang maluto ng 20 minutes o until lumambot ang ating. Nung malambot na yung karne guys, ilagay na natin ating patatas, bell pepper, at green peas at hayaang maluto for another 5 to 7. After 7 minutes guys, ilagay na natin ating cheese. Then, voila! Ready na ang ating spare ribs with potatoes and bell pepper. Thanks for watching. God bless. Bye!